This is a Thuringian, excuse me, razor hone from Germany. Guaranteed to be as such. This particular piece, sorry, is 5 1/32 of an inch long by, on the width, this stone tapers a bit. On the wider end, I wish this thing would focus. Sorry. On the wider end, it is 2 13/32 of an inch wide. On this end, it's 2 3/8 of an inch wide. Dead center, it's 2 7/16. Excuse me. As you can see on the bottom, the stone tapers, and at the widest part of the taper, it is 1/4 of an inch. Then dead center, it tapers to 3/16, and then it tapers ultimately to like a 32nd of an inch. So practically nothing. And anyway, you can see there's stuff you would have to lap out anyway if you wanted to use that side. This is I think they would probably call this a yellow-green. It's light green, yellow-green. Let me lock the focus. See if you can see. Right there, it's a darker green cloud right there. There's a boundary layer where it gets darker green. It's sort of a combo stone. You can sort of see the line of, to an extent, it's a combo stone. Right there, you can see the line of demarcation where it gets darker green. For comparison's sake, this is not included, by the way. This is my personal. This is a broken piece of a barber's delight, where you could really see the green and the yellow-green. So it's a bit less yellow, a bit more light green, just for the sake of comparison. The dark green is darker. The green is darker on the backing, as you can see, for color comparison's sake. And something like a Gelgren, as you can see. I would say it's more light green, but it's veering off more towards this sort of thing. And I don't know. As you can see, it's sort of like the intermediary layer. This one is sort of like the layer in between the two. If you want a color comparison, not included. Only this. Only this. Anyway. Top quality material. Fully lapped and chamfered on one side. Thuringian. I thank you.